I should really leave that to the professionals. Hey everyone, I'm Colonel Chris MacAulay, the Vice Commander of the Ogden Air Logistics Complex. And today I'm over here in the Armament Flight, in particular the parachute shop, to walk you through the process of making the face coverings for the employees of the complex. We've got some incredible folks here in the parachute shop that we want to highlight today. And next we'll walk you through the process. I'm here with Bob Migliore, the Squadron Director of the 531st and the Commodities Maintenance Group. And Bob's going to walk us through the process for making these cloth mask coverings for the entire complex. Over to you, Bob.
Thank you, sir. It's kind of unique and fun, exciting. Okay, to stand up, we were asked on Monday this week to say, could we do this? And what I'm going to talk to you about is a corrugated machine in which we're producing face covers. With that, gate 0 is basically the procurement of the material needed. Gate 2 comes into the actual cutting of the material. In this case, we've cut upwards of 3,000 units already. Gate 3 comes into our 5-ship sewing machine, okay, a crew here that goes in and sews it. And gate 4 will come into the packaging area. Currently we produced about 400 right now as we're standing the machine up, with targeting to 300 to 400 a day from this day forward.
We've got a great example of what they've already produced here in the shop. This is the first batch that we'll give out to our military members so they can be compliant within in their uniform as well. But with that, Bob, I'd like to ask you, any particular shout outs you'd like to give to your folks?
Yeah, I'd like to just shout out and say thanks to the CMXG team as a whole. Okay, watching everybody pitch in to help out to get us those initial 3,000 to 4,000 cut up front allows us to actually produce. So kudos to the whole team.
Yeah, behind this mask is Shane Olson. I'm the Deputy Director of CMXG here. One thing I'd like to highlight and say thanks to the workforce. CMXG workforce has been awesome. Their resiliency and their patriotism is shown through this. We've got volunteers doing this on the shop floor and at home. So appreciate all the folks that pitching in. Thanks for coming over today, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Shane. In addition to what we're doing here in producing masks or face coverings for the complex, the complex is also holding a competition where prizes will be awarded on the 17th of April for the most creative masks. So I encourage you to see what you can do, see what you can produce, and see how creative it can get, because the prizes are worth it. First prize is either $100 or you can choose a giant roll of toilet paper as well. Your choice.